Hello viewers, now I'll add backlink in this website, Fredericksburg.com. So watch the full video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in my video description. Firstly click on login, then scroll down, fill up everything, your first name, last name, email address, and give a unique username. Then give a strong password. Confirm the password. Now uncheck everything. Now check this box, I am not a robot. Click on create account. Wait for a second. Check your email. They sent a welcome email that your account is created. Now click on your name, profile, edit profile in the right side. Now scroll down, click on business, submit business. Now give your business name or your website name, location, and your website description. Fill up this box. This is my website description. Select a category. My website is software company. Give your phone number, address. Fill up everything. Then give your website address. This is the backlink. Now check this box, I am not a robot. Now give your office hours. My office hours is open 24 hours. Fill up every box. Now click on submit. They will accept your business and they will publish it. Now click on edit profile. Wait for a second. You can see that your business is published. Scroll down. You can see that website link is added here. This way you can add backlink in this website. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you need any help for backlinks, then you can knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in my video description.